I just thought we'd do a quick video on changing the code for a Starline i96 and i96 Pro. The way you do that is first you have to ignition on, disarm the system without starting the vehicle, get our disarm tone. Then press any button 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, cycle ignition off, back on, we'll get 5 bleeps. Now we're ready to input the new code. This can be anything between 3 and 21 presses of supported buttons, but we'll keep it simple at 1, 2, 3. We'll wait for a confirmation. There we go, repeat that again. We should get the same confirmation. And that's the new code learnt. So ignition off. Hope this helps out some of our customers that want to change their code. And this is the process. Thanks for watching.